Hi everyone, today we will learn how to use Xlookup in Excel. Now you can say if we know how to use Vlookup, then why would we need to learn Xlookup? So as you see in our example, we have the employee ID, department, employee name, and their respective sales. Now if we try to find employee ID by employee name, Vlookup cannot do the same because Vlookup always look towards the right side. We can find only sales by using Vlookup. Hence, to get the value from the left side, we need to use Xlookup. So is equal to Xlookup. First thing it will ask from us is lookup value, means the value we want to find. In our case it is Manish. Second thing it will ask for lookup array, means the column from which we have to find the selected employee name. In our case, that is in cell D7 to D13. Third input we have to provide is the return array, means the column from which data we want to fetch by the formula. In our case, that is employee ID from cell B7 to B13. Now if we close the bracket and press enter, we can get the answer. To apply the same formula in the below cells, first we need to freeze some parts of the formula. We can do this by pressing the F4 key. After freezing some part of the formula, we can drag it till the end to apply the same till the below. I hope you have found this video useful. Please suggest us if you need a video on any topic related to Excel.